Hi, my name's Kelly, and I'd like to tell you about Mobistealth cell phone and computer monitoring software, an important new tool to help you look out for your VIPs, your very important people. Who did your kids talk to today? Not just face-to-face, but using their cell phones and computers. If you've got employees, what did they do today? How much time did they spend on Facebook, Twitter, and YouTube? What about the darker corners of the internet, filled with questionable content and dangerous viruses? No matter who you are, you've got VIPs to monitor and protect. And Mobistealth makes it easy. Here's how it works. Just sign up and install Mobistealth on each PC and cell phone you'd like to monitor. It takes just minutes and it's really simple. Then log on to Mobistealth. Right away, you've got remote access to screenshots, chat logs, emails, text messages, web histories, and more. Whatever your VIPs are doing on their devices, you'll see it. The protection doesn't stop there. With Mobistealth for Android, iPhone, and other popular cell phones, you get real-time location tracking. And of course, you get 24/7 access to contact lists, calls, texts, emails, and pictures. Featured by Newsweek, Wired, Yahoo, and other news outlets, Mobistealth is trusted worldwide by people like you to track and protect their VIPs. Mobistealth costs as little as 50 cents a day and comes with a 10-day money-back guarantee, so there's zero risk. And it's so easy and quick, you can get started in just minutes. Why not try Mobistealth today? Take back your peace of mind. Protect your very important people. Get the simple, affordable, invisible way to monitor and track all your VIPs. Get Mobistealth today.